Right, I'm starting off with the some plate here. Just got some just less than 1/4 inch, probably 1/8 inch 3/16 plate. Drew a little octopus design for starters. I'm gonna cut it out with my angle grinder for the cut. Okay, I've got the rough shape cut out. And I think I'll either punch a couple holes here or drill a couple holes for eyelets. And then I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up and draw these out. Okay, now that I got this part done, I'm gonna start working on some of the other tentacles. Okay, just got an old piece of cut off steel. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this into one of the the arms. So I'm just gonna heat this up and draw it out. Okay, it's taken me a little while, but I've gotten a couple of those pieces drawn out. And actually, what I'm going to do, so I've got them kind of down to a tip here, to, you know, for the legs here. I'm going to cut them in half and then start to bend them around, then I'll weld them to this thing. Okay, here we go. So chop those in half. What I'll do now, like I said, draw these out a little bit, curl them around, and then this part here, I'll flatten that out. That way I can weld it to the back of this. Surface to weld to so it sits flush. This one kind of make it 3D. Okay, I got some of the legs bent. I'm gonna go ahead and let them cool off for a minute. Okay, so we got it all welded. Yeah, for the eyes on this, you can kind of see what I'm doing. So I'm taking the drill. I did one in the center and two on the side, small ones. I'm taking the drill and just kind of laying it sideways and just roughing it out, and then I'll clean up anything I need to with the file. And I drilled a hole in the top so we can hang it. Okay, all I did now is drill a bigger hole in here because I want to forge a little ring here, bend it around, heat it up and bend it around so it'll hang this thing.